tutorial number 22, and it covers the step draft function within SOLIDWORKS. In this tutorial, we're going to use the same part that we made in the last drafting tutorial. All that we're going to do though to get back to the perfect square is click the draft, right-click it, and click suppress. Now we're back to the perfect square that we first started out with. Let's click draft. Let's change the type of draft to a step draft. Now, our direction of pull in this kind of draft, we're going to click the top face of the square. And for the parting line, we're going to click this line here. Now, let's click OK. And we've created a 45-degree draft out. Now, let's right-click this draft, click Edit Feature, and let's change the angle to 30 degrees. Click OK. And now the draft is just 30 degrees out. Now if we want to cut into the shape instead of coming out, all we have to do is right-click the draft, click Edit Feature, and change the direction of pull. Click OK, and now we've cut into the shape. And this concludes our tutorial on the step draft function within SOLIDWORKS.